If opening Gmail feels like wading through years of newsletters, receipts, and promos you never asked for, you're not alone. The good news is you don't need to read through all of it, you just need a system. Here's how to wipe out the backlog. Get Gmail sorting mail for you automatically, and actually keep your inbox clean going forward. Start by figuring out how far back you really need to look. 6 months to a year is usually plenty. Type something like before the 1st of January 2026 into the Gmail search bar and hit enter, and you'll see every message older than that date. Now click the checkbox above your message list, and if Gmail gives you the option, select every conversation that matches your search, not just what's on screen. Archive anything you might want later, and delete the spam and expired promos you know you'll never need again. Next, go after your unread count. Search is unread, and get more specific with things like is unread category, promotions, or is unread category. Social, then bulk, archive, or delete what you don't need. While you're in there, stop the flood at the source. Open a newsletter you don't want anymore and click Gmail's unsubscribe link right next to the sender's name, or look for the unsubscribe link at the bottom of the email. Do this for your worst repeat offenders, instead of deleting the same sender's mail every week. Head into Settings, then see All Settings, then the Inbox tab, and turn on only the categories you'll actually use. Primary, promotions, social, whatever fits how you work. Scroll down and hit Save Changes, so Gmail starts routing new mail into those tabs automatically. For senders you know you'll get mail from again, build a filter, open the search options, plug in something like the sender's email address, run the search, and click Create Filter. From there, choose what happens. Skip the inbox, apply a label, mark as read, or delete, and you can even apply it retroactively to messages already sitting there. For whatever's left, run it through 4 quick decisions. Delete anything with no value, reply immediately to anything fast, forward and label waiting, anything that's really someone else's job, and snooze or add to tasks anything you'll deal with later. Slap on simple labels like action, waiting, receipts, or reference, then archive them so they're searchable but out of your way. Finally, break the habit of checking email all day. Pick 2 or 3 set times to process it using that same delete, do, delegate, defer method. Then close Gmail when you're done. Turn off notifications on your desktop and phone for everything except accounts that truly need your attention right away. Do this once and Gmail stops being a dumping ground. It becomes a system that sorts itself and hands you only what actually matters. If this helped you dig out of the inbox pile, give the video a like and subscribe to Online Tech Tips for more practical fixes like this one.